that time. Pero yun nga, we'll take it. Overtime, gusto natin yung mga ganyan, yung mga ganitong ball game. Eh talaga namang masaya tayo dito.
Now, Bo, because LPU still had 4.5 seconds left after that Manalili shot, we go back to your question to the referees na yung option ng Letran to inbound the ball all the way on the other side or push it forward to the front court.
Oo, kasi nga, if you inbound it on the other side, the whole 24 seconds, pressure para sa LPU to play defense honestly. Pagka nakatawid ka rito sa front court, mapapaisip sila to foul. Kasi nga, mauubos yung oras.
Versosa to Villegas. Moralejo. Barba for the lead!
Iyon naman!
LPU takes the lead!
Right place, right time para dito kay Ato Barba. Good find. Galing dito kay Versosa.
Buensalida on the roll! Plus the foul! Renz Villegas, look at the ball swing. Moralejo, nahanap si Ato Barba.
Libre-libre doon sa corner. Ito naman yung find ni Jonathan Manalili. Pang-14, pang-15 assist na yata ni Jonathan yan.
Looking at our stats, Bo, 14 assists para kay Manalili. At meron na siyang triple-double. 12 points, 10 rebounds, 14 assists.
A couple of days ago, it was Tima Kongotan who has a triple-double also against LPU naman. Against LPU again, it was Jonathan Manalili naman ngayon.
Barba.
Ganda nung
Versosa!
fake.
Faking the handoff! Tandaan natin, Bo, it was Versosa who hustled for those extra possessions and points. Kaya nabuhay itong LPU.
It happens twice.
Manalili. Quahao, pamatay sunog na naman ba? That shot was to the right. Buensalida offensive rebound.
They forced the miss already pero hindi nila masecure yung rebound. Eto.
Nagmimintes mula sa labas ang Letran. Villegas, stutter steps. Villegas saves it to Barba. What a save by Villegas. At
medyo tinamaan siya doon.
Natamaan sa ilong si Renz. Moralejo, free for three.
Linya. Pero wala. Ito na naman si Versosa.
Pagsakan ng mga players dito. Jimboy is hurt.
Ito.
And
possible cramps for
he's
Jimboy.
He's cramping up. Jimboy Estrada.
Dahil mula nung ipinasok ito si Jimboy, coming off the bench nung third quarter natin, hindi pa siya nilabas.
Bo, he's played 32 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Jimboy Estrada.
So, medyo magmamatter na rin ang cramps dito sa ball game natin.
Let's turn it over to Bianca Tagarda.
Atin na to. Gawin nyo na lahat ng magagawa ninyo, says Coach Gilbert frustratingly as he repeats it during their huddle before hopping into overtime. Maiksi man ang naging usapan nila but there are not much words needed kung ang tanging baon ng mga Pirates this overtime ay pride at puso. Ngayon, tingnan natin if this game will have a better ending for the Pirates. Anton and Bo?
Pride at puso, yun ang nangibabaw para sa LPU sa dulo ng regulation.
Yung kagustuhan na yung ayaw magbigay, ayaw mag-give up. Yun yung naging mentalidad nitong LPU dito. They go to the post with Buensalida against Aviles.
Buensalida!
Ganda nung move na yun. Tabla naman tayo at 90 with only 2 minutes and 35.
Ayan na naman si Versosa.
Si Versosa, yung fake handoff na yun. Uy!
Quahao with the steal! Quahao throws a foul. Defensive stop para kay Deo Quahao.
Ayun lang. Ito yung move ni Buensalida.
Ganda ng pihit.
Iwan na iwan yung ano eh. Actually, hindi naman na, pinakita lang ni Deo yung kamay niya. Hindi naman totally deflection or steal. Yung pasa lang ni Versosa ay talagang sa kamay ni Deo. Kaya, nag-turnover.
Deo Quajao good on the first, gives the lead back to the Knights. What a game. Quajao, 2 for 2. Pamatay sunog na naman eh. Deo Quajao.
Siya na naman eh. Steal, fast break, foul. The usual Deo Quajao that we know. Naasahan mo, eto na naman yung backdoor nila.
Oh my Believe ako sa tapak nitong batang to. Renz Villegas, harap-harapan.
Yun yung ano ko doon. Why are you supposed to deny the handoff and walang na iiwang defender or help side defense doon sa ilalim?
Renz Villegas gives the lead back to LPU.
Kung yung dalawang pressure pack free throws niya kanina before the regulation na-shoot niya, yung pa kayang pangalamang nila. Kaya naman balik sa isa ang kalamangan ng LPU. Ito na naman si Ben Salida.
Inabangan na yung pivot towards the basket. Manalili. And Manalili will head to the line for 2.
Manalili had a shot on that one pero he tend to attack the basket going to the baseline and he shot a foul.
Manalili 2 for 4 today. Oh!
Yun yung sinasabi natin na free throws will matter at the end of this ball game. Kasi nga, it's a very close ball game. Kung kanina meron sa magkabilang side have extra free throws made, hindi na tayo aabot sa overtime. So, ayun naman. Sinigurado na ni Jonathan Manalili yung second free throw. Tabla na naman at 93.
Villegas. Villegas with 20 points today. Villegas against Quajao. Quajao giving him space. Villegas tinirahan si Deo. And Deo comes up with the rebound.
Not a good decision on Renz Villegas. Pero siya yung mainit dito sa overtime natin. Hindi mo maalis sa kanya yung ganong klase ng ano. Kasi nga,
at Bo, balik na naman sila dito kay Buen Salida.
actually,
Manalili for the lead.
wala.
Buen Salida offensive rebound. And again, posting up. Santos, malakas. Offensive rebound na naman. Gamad.
Not the usual strength of the Jonathan Manalili. Talagang iniiwan nila sa labas kasi nga he is known for his attacking tendencies. Kaya naman sina-challenge talaga nila itong si Jonathan Manalili to take the outside shot.
Chad Gamad. 17-year-old missing. These are the most important free throws of his young NCAA career. Ready na bumalik si Jimboy Estrada. But Gamad has to make this free throw. And he does.
Ayun naman. Siya na ang isasab ni Jimboy dito. And nakatawa si Jimboy kay Renz Villegas. He will take on Ato Barba.
Letran protecting a 1-point lead. Aviles. Oh! Moralejo saves the possession. Moralejo to Barba. Barba with 5 to shoot. Barba has to put it up. Instead, he throws it away. Oh no. Jimboy tying his shoelaces. Bola na kay Manalili. Manalili against Moralejo. Manalili to Santos! And Santos was fouled as he tried to throw it down with two hands. That would have been one hell of an exclamation point.
Talaga naman, ano eh. Kumbaga, ginambala na lang eh. Ganda nung assist na naman ni Jonathan Manalili. Ayun naman.
Santos good on the first.
With 23 seconds left dito sa overtime.
Santos with 16 points. Oh, he misses the second. LPU has the basketball, down by 2. Bola na kay Barba. Barba with Buen Salida on him. Moralejo, natapikan ni Estrada. Back to Barba. Barba drives, drop pass for Sosa, nabitawan. Santos.
Ayun lang.
And the Letran Knights survive in overtime.
Wow.
Another heartbreaker.
Yes, sir.
For LPU. But in the end, Bo, yung respeto nila kay Ato Barba.
Oo naman.
The sportsmanship. Nangingibabaw dito. Yep.
Binuhos lahat ni Ato Barba ang lahat para dito sa team niya. He had 24 points. Ito naman si Renz Villegas after having a slow first half. He had 20 in the second. After the overtime, he had 20 points. So, still, credit to those guys who played really tremendous ball game today.
Nakahinga na malalim si Coach Allen.
Oo.
Munti ka na yun. What a game. What a finish. Another game that went beyond 4 quarters for LPU.